Walmart is making big changes to its popular Savings Catcher program, and a lot of shoppers, they're not happy about it. This is the message shoppers get when they open up Savings Catcher in the Walmart app. Starting October 29, 2018, Walmart Pay will be the exclusive way to submit your receipts to Savings Catcher. That means no more scanning paper receipts using the app or submitting them using a computer. This is basically forcing you to use Walmart Pay. I went to a store to try it out. Step 1. Open Walmart Pay and select the credit card, debit card, or gift card you want to use. Any Savings Catcher discounts will be applied to your purchase. Step 2. When you're at the checkout, use Walmart Pay to scan the QR code and complete your purchase. It's just as quick as swiping your credit card. Step 3. You won't get a physical receipt anymore, but you can submit the e-receipt to Savings Catcher. Just remember to click Submit Receipt from the Walmart Pay confirmation page or from your Savings Catcher dashboard on the Walmart app. Learn more about these changes at Clark.com.